Once you arrive in the UK, you may want to open a UK bank account. It would be very useful so you can have all your money there that your family send you, or if you have a job, your employer will be able to pay you directly on your UK bank account. So what do you need for opening a UK bank account? It mainly depends on the bank, but if you want to open a student account, you usually need an attendance letter from the university. You can request it as soon as you arrive in the UK, usually during your fresher week or the first week of university. You might also need a UK telephone number. You can get a SIM card from a supermarket or online, so that you have a UK telephone number that you can use both for applying for jobs but also for opening a UK bank account. You also need to provide your passport, photocopies, or any personal details or visa confirmation. Some accounts can be opened completely online, such as with Revolut or Monzo, so you won't need to go into their branch, but you'll do everything online in a few weeks. Everything is going to be set up and you will have your card. If you prefer to go to physical bank, maybe the process might be a tiny bit different because you will need to book an appointment and then you receive everything via post, and it might take a bit more. If you want to have more information on how to manage your finances when you study abroad, click on this video.